Hey folks, I'm Walter, your travel advisor, and if you have a cruise booked on Royal Caribbean, you should be logging into your account right now during the Black Friday sale, because some of those add-ons, your drink packages, your meal packages, things at CocoCay, they could be at the best price you're going to see them for a while. So you log into your account, take a look at what the prices are now. Now, if you have something already paid for and you see it's at a better price, the way you get that is you actually have to cancel what you have now and then try to rebook it. But there is a risk. We just got a better price on our refreshment package and on our Cocoa Beach Club reservation. But when Rebecca canceled the Cocoa Beach Club, it came up as sold out. And she was like, oh my God, I can't get back in. And she just tried it anyway. And it must have let her do it because, you know, she canceled and now there's one available. She rebooked. So you run the risk that if you see a better price and you try to get it, when you cancel, somebody else might be looking and they hit it before you do, and then you lose it. So if you already have something booked, it is a risk and you may not want to do it based on the cost saving. But if you haven't booked something yet, certainly take a look at the prices right now and see if it works best for you. The prices are completely different depending on the ship and the cruise. So no two cruises are really priced alike. I hope you find a good deal.